Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable forced auto update on any Samsung phone. Now, if you want to stop auto update for the apps on your smartphone, just open Google Play Store on your smartphone, then tap on the profile icon over here. And from here, just tap on settings, then tap on network preferences. And from here, you will find the option of auto update apps. Just tap on it, and from here, just select Do Not Auto Update Apps. And once you do that, you will stop auto updating the apps on your smartphone. But if you want to stop auto updating the software of your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Software Update, then tap on Auto Download. From here, just select Never. After you do that, then go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on About Phone, then tap on Software Information. From here, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then select Continue. Now just tap on OK, and once you enable developer mode on your smartphone, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just scroll down and you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it, and from here, you will find the option of auto update system. Now, if this option is enabled, just disable this toggle and disable auto update system. And once you do that, you will stop auto updating the software of your smartphone. And this is how you can disable forced auto update on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.